For today's problem of the day, you do not need a paper or your math journal. You're simply going to need a bag with some objects in it, a dry erase marker, and a 10 frame. Pause the video to get your materials. All right, now we're going to work through the problem together. First, count the objects in your bag. How many are there? Pause the video to count the objects in your bag and write the number that tells how many there are on your desk. Great! Now I want you to take the objects in your bag and put them on your 10 frame. Pause the video to do that. Now, I have a question for you. What do you notice? I want you to take either a picture and make a voice recording or make a video, whatever is easiest for you. I want to see the number you wrote that says how many are in your bag. I want to see the objects on the 10 frame. And I want you to answer, what do you notice?